Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Synovus Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including your salary and any side jobs. Next, compile a list of all your expenses. Include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Once you have this information, total your income and expenses. Identify any areas where you can cut back on spending. Now, visit the Synovus Bank website or app to access their budgeting tools. Create an account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the budgeting section of the platform. Input your income and expenses to see an overview of your financial situation. Use the provided features to categorize your spending. Set realistic budget goals based on your income and financial objectives. Take advantage of any visual tools that help track your progress. After setting your budget, monitor it regularly. Adjust your budget as needed if your financial situation changes. Utilize alerts and notifications to stay on top of your spending habits. Make sure to review your budget monthly to ensure it aligns with your goals. Consider setting aside a portion of your income for savings. Incorporate any debt repayment plans into your budget if necessary. Lastly, celebrate your progress as you stick to your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.